Hi, and welcome to another Agile ticketing training video. Today we're going to learn how to sell concession items using the POS screen. When you first log in for the day, click the action icon at the top of the screen and click on Cash In and Out. You want to click on the Cash In button to start your sales for the day. By cashing in, you're telling the system you're ready to start your shift, and it will start tracking all of your sales. To learn more about cashing in, see our video on how to cash in and create a user batch in the POS. Once you've cashed in, you are now ready to process sales. So for this purpose, we're going to click on the catalog icon in the menu selection at the top of the screen. And you can see here that we have multiple sales line types that allows us to create different item categories for processing catalog sales. So you can see here we have concessions, we've got festival packs, we have merchandise and vouchers. For this purpose, I'm going to sell concessions. So I'm going to click on the concessions item, and then you can see that it will give us a list of different product groups. So we've grouped it by popcorn, non-alcoholic beverages, alcoholic beverages, candy, and food. Each of these will then have your subcategories with the types of items that are under that grouping, as well as the pricing that's associated with these different items. So for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and click on popcorn, and you can see here that under the popcorn category, I have three different prices. I have a large, I have a small member with a $1 discount, and then we have a regular small for any non-members. And you can see here that all of these items that are listed in any of these categories have images associated with those. If you don't want the images to appear, you can uncheck that in this menu here, and then it'll only show the text of those items. So I'm going to go ahead and add information into my shopping cart. So I'm going to sell 2 of my popcorns, and I'm going to select a large drink and an iced tea. And I'm also going to go ahead and get some jujubes. Once you have entered all of the information into the shopping cart for the customer and you are ready for processing and the payment, you will either swipe the credit card if you have a traditional POS that has a credit card swipe on the side of the terminal, or you can manually enter in that credit card information by clicking on the enter payment information and selecting the credit card. And you can hit the proceed button at this point. Or if it's a cash transaction, you can select the denomination of the cash that they gave you, or you can click on exact change, and this will complete the transaction. Once the transaction has completed and payment is processed, the last order that was just processed will turn yellow in this area, and you are ready to process your next sale. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions or need more information, you can join us on our community page, search for information on our knowledge base, or email our support team at support@agiletix.com.